Hey guys, Richard here from Car Sound Security. What we've got here is a Vauxhall Astra 2017, and what we've done is we fully replaced the factory system speakers with a full Alpine kit. So replace the front components and the rear coaxials. So these are the original speakers that come with the car. The rubbish paper cone ones, not giving you the best sound. So these give you much clearer quality sound. And also we will also install the Pioneer double sub as well to provide you that nice bass as well in the back. Everything looks original still on the vehicle, so nothing's been modified. As you can see, still got the factory speaker style. And this is the front one as well. And that's the tweeter goes up in the top there, the top mid-range. So I'm now going to give you a little listen to it.
Nice George Ezra on Capital. Let's hook somebody up with it. This weekend on Capital.
It's all done on the original system as well. So it's all connected to the factory system. So yeah, if you want to upgrade like this done on your vehicle to change out the sound, to give you much clearer sound and lots of bass, give us a call on 028-554-5554. Come visit the Car Sound Security in Ilford, Ganshill, IG263. Thank you for watching the video guys, make sure you like and subscribe.